Morning, everyone. It's giveaway time. This is June 2nd, 2019. How you all doing? Hope you're having a great day today. And it's we're having a rainy day today. But anyhow, somebody is going to win this envelope stuffed with some goodies. Anyhow, in here I've written down on slips of paper 21 names. Yep, there's 21 people in this envelope who has entered my giveaway. Here's my hat. Yep. Everybody's name's going to go in here. So let's get started. I know some of your addresses from groups that I'm in. If I'm not too sure if your name is in, if I'm not too sure if I can find your name in one of the groups, your address, then I'm going to ask you to email me your address, which is my email address is in the description box down below. So you're going to have to get in touch with me. I will let you know. Anyhow, so the first name here, and I apologize if I don't pronounce your names right. This is Rhonda Conger. There. You see that? Rhonda Conger. Sorry about the glare. So I'm going to fold your name. Fold your name up. And there you go. Your name's going in the hat. There you go. Next, Donna Harper. See your name? Donna Harper. Hold you up. In my hat. Next. Stacy Evans. There you go. In the hat. Next is Lori Smith. Lori Smith. Good. Your name's going in the hat. Holding your name's going in the hat. Next, let's see. Sharon Lega. Hold your name up. And in the hat. Who's next? Kennedy Westcott. Kennedy Westcott. Oh, wow. Holding your name up. In the hat. Maybe I should bring this out a bit. Hang on. Just a second. Let's see if that's better. Jenny Oskowski. I'm sorry if I didn't pronounce your name right. There you go. Jenny. Hold your name up. In the hat. Lynn Mason. There, Lynn Mason. Next is Kelly Rickman. See that? your name up. Janie Sills. Next is Claudette Colbell. Kathy Edwards. Putting your name up. Karen Ann. I hope you guys can see their names there. Pauline Whitehead. Susan Smallwood. Susan Smallwood. Lisa Bedard. Carrie Blaster. Nancy Morales. Oh, another Susan. Susan Hill. Sandy Rector. And last but not least, Selena Radar. There you go. Now, and that. I'm going to just mix these up, mix these up, mix these up. And I'm going to put the envelope over the hat. And I'm going to shake, shake, shake. I'm going to shake, shake it. Everybody's name up. There. Wait a minute, I'm going to put you guys. It's Stray is here. Take you out a bit. So your names. Make them up. Blackboard. And who's the lucky winner? Drum roll. And the lucky winner is Pauline Whitehead. Let me see. I'll bring you up closer. Pauline Whitehead is the winner. Congratulations, Pauline. I know your I know your address is on file somewhere, and I'll be sending this package out to you this week. Sometime, not sure when, but I'll let you know for sure when. Thank you so much, everybody, for supporting my channel and for entering. Oh my goodness. Congratulations, Pauline, again. Have a great day, everyone. Thanks for coming out and supporting my channel, and thank you so much. I appreciate you entering my giveaway. Bye!